Today we're going to fix your pull-ups in just 2 minutes. Whether you're new to pull-ups or looking to perfect your form, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about grip. For pull-ups, you'll use an overhand grip, so your hands should be facing away from you. Instead of just hanging by your fingers, place your hands firmly over the bar. Your thumb can either go over or under the bar, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Just make sure you grip the bar firmly. A good trick is to try visualizing crushing the bar. This mental cue ensures a strong hold. Next, let's discuss form. There are 2 main body positions to consider: standard and arched. In the standard position, keep your body straight and bring your legs slightly forward. Training your lower body in this position is excellent for transitioning into different pull-up variations, like archer or one-arm pull-ups. However, this position mostly focuses your lats and doesn't engage your traps and spinal erectors as much. On the other hand, the arched position targets all of your back muscles. In this variation, you need to arch your back and lean your legs backward to complement your upper body. While this position engages more muscles, it doesn't translate as well into other pull-up variations. Pull-ups are a fantastic exercise. Incorporate both the arched and standard variations into your workout for maximum benefit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Want more amazing videos like this? Then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.